Hi guys. Okay, so I'm back with the updates with the last few days countdown to baby Greenland. Alright, so I recorded this already, and then when I stopped the video and I was looking to see, if I would like watch it back, I want time lapse me do. So I just see myself in a fast motion just like so. So yeah. So it's been a few days since my last catch up, and as you can see, my countenance has changed a little. One thing I will say, I don't want to use the word depressed loosely, but I think I've been like borderline, just right there. Like Jerome can tell you, like we're on the phone and it's just like you saw the last video. I wasn't with it, but yeah, I'm feeling today's one of my brighter days. Yesterday wasn't it, the day before wasn't it, so I don't know when I'm gonna get another bright day. Okay, I don't know when I'm gonna get another bright day, so I said I'd do the video today while I'm feeling in high spirits. So anyways, update, I had my last scan, guys. My last scan, and it was emotional, but no, very low. It was nice to see. It was nice to see him. Sir. Don't it? He's moving. But it was nice to see him and see how big he's gotten and all of that. It's just so amazing to see that he has come from something that you could barely see to this big man. And yeah, I'm so proud of him. Like I keep telling him, I'm so proud of you because you're growing so well and all of that. But anyways, yeah, what else? Oh yeah, induction. So I have 2 weeks left until Jerome and my mother comes, and I'm so excited. And I'm hoping that he'll stay put until then, until they get here, and I can have a good support system. Because this is gonna be child. But anyways, so they're talking about induction, and to be honest, I'm not with it. No, one, because I'm gonna be by myself. Two, because he's doing fine, he's doing fine and I'm doing fine. So why we're evicting, why we're putting him out, he can stay. I mean, I am like, let me say tired, let me say fed up, but I'd rather he stay where he is safe and comfortable and nourished and all of that than come out into this world and me not know if it with him. So I mean, I guess mommy instincts would kick in, but I'd rather him stay until they get here, especially because induction would be like next week or the other week. And I don't know, I'm gonna think ready. I'd rather him just come on his own, and yeah, but I mean, if the due date passes or is like right there and he's not coming out, then fine, fair enough. But to force him out, while I'm by myself and in a state of mind where I am borderline, if not depressed, I don't think, no, I don't think I have the mental capacity right now. Maybe later on, but right now, like today, may not have the mental capacity to deal with this. And it is important that we acknowledge when we're at a place where you genuinely know say you can't manage, and not make nobody force if you do something when you know say you can't manage, and then everything end up in a shambles, and then they go say, so what make you never talk? Better you just say you can't manage, and just, yeah. Even though sometimes you say you can't manage and people are convinced to say you can when you know. But anyhow, yeah, that's my update of the last couple of days. It's been like a week and a half, to be fair, from the last time I recorded, but because I'm telling you, I wasn't with it. But we're almost there, and I'm excited to see him. So excited to see him. I keep like, just wait till your father come, just wait till your father come, just wait till your father come. And I keep telling him, as I said, how proud I am of him, that he's, them people are not hear me talk. I keep telling him how proud I am of him, that he's growing and he's so strong, and you know, I feel like he might do better than me. Like, me just in a shambles out here and him alright in the quite content. But yeah, the Braxton Hicks have not been fun. It's been crazy because here's one now. Cha-cha. Yeah, they're not fun because it just comes out of nowhere, and it's not like the worst pain ever, like, no, but it's like, I don't know, your body just a contract and you just don't know, you know. But yeah, that's my update. I'll be back. Hopefully I'll be back. I need to come out here. But yeah, that's my update. Bye.